Class 9, Chapter 1, Example Sum 1.10. If universal set is given as C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and A is the set C, D, G, J, find the A dash. A dash means complement of A. That is the solution, right? Solution. Complement of A, that is A dash is equal to universal set differs A. Universal set differs A. What is the universal set is given? C, D, E, F, G, H, I and then J differs, or you can use the symbol minus also, or U minus A. This can be, you can use it. And then the set A is given as C, D, G, J. We know that subtraction means only the first set elements will be appear, right? Second set element should not be there. So see the second set element, C is here and here, so cross out this, and then D and then G and then J. Except this, the remaining only how to write, and then the element should be in the first set. First set elements mattum da irukum. E, F, H, I. This is complement of A dash. Next example sum 1.11. If P is the set M, N and Q is the set M, I, J, then represent P and Q in Venn diagram and hence find P union Q. Venn diagram போட்டு அதோட P union Q சேர்த்து கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க. சரிங்களா? Let's see the first Venn diagram பார்த்துடலாம். Solution. They are asking Venn diagram. First this is P set and this is a Q set, right? Let me take it as P and then Q. We have to place the elements in the appropriate place. See, M is common to both that P and Q. This is the common place for both P and Q, so we place M here, right? N is appear only in P, not in Q, so N. And I and J appears only in Q only, so I and J. Wherever the inside the Q place, we can write it. So we have to find out P union Q. What is the P elements? M, N. Union of Q is equal to M, I, J. So union means we know that is all together. So first I said write the first set element and move to the second set. M is already have written, so omit it, and then remaining is I and J. Though repeated elements is not allowed in a set, right? So union means all together, so you write all the elements. Next we see the example sum 1.12. Let A is the set such that X is a even natural number and X greater than 1 less than or equal to 12, and B is the set X such that X is a multiple of 3, X belongs to N and X is less than or equal to 12. B. Two sets, find A intersection B. So first we have to mention, write the sets. What is the elements in the set A? Is a even natural number, right? Even natural number. Greater than 2 is, greater than 1 is 2. And then less than or equal to 12, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and then 12. The word is used as less than or equal to, right? So you have to take up to 12, and then the set B is equal to, what is the set? Multiple of 3 and then less than or equal to 12. Multiple of 3, natural number means 3, 6, 9 and then 12. Less than or equal to, we have to find out what is A intersection B. Intersection means we know that is the common elements only we have to write. So I write the first set, intersection of second set, right? We have to find the common elements. What is the common between the two sets? 2 is there here? No. 3, 4? No. 6 and then 12. So 6 and 12 are the common between the two sets, that is A intersection B. Choose only common set, common elements, right? Next example sum 1.13. If A is 2, 3 and C is empty set, find A intersection B. So A intersection B means we know the property, that is one of the set is empty, means surely what will happen? The whole set must be a empty set. Either you can use this symbol or use pi. So in a set, one of the set is totally empty means then intersection of the set is always empty. That is A intersection C is pi because it is a disjoint. Now next question, example sum 1.14. The set A is given as -3, -2, 1, 4 and B is given as 0, 1, 2, 4. Find A minus B and B minus A. We have to find the difference of the two sets. So this is the set given. So we have to find out the A minus B and the B minus A solution. A minus B is equal to, what is the element of A? -3, -2, 1, 4 minus of the B set 0, 1, 2, 4. A minus B means without the second set, right? Without the second set element, you have to write only the first set and check that is there any common elements between the first two set. 1 is the common and 4 is the common. Strike out these two, right? So the remaining element is -2 and -1, -2 and -3. So the first set elements only have to write, the second set element should not be there. That is the condition. Then B minus A is equal to, what is the B set? 0, 1, 2, 4 minus of the A set is -3, -2, 1, 4. Here also the first set elements only have to write that. The first set element, second set element should not be there, right? 1, 4, 1, 4, 0, 2 is the B minus A, right? A minus B and B minus A. Always you remember that A minus B is not equal to B minus A, right? A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Next example sum 1.15. See, the set A is given as 6, 7, 8, 9 and the set B is given as 8, 10, 12. Find a symmetric difference of B. That is a symmetric difference of B. We know the formula for symmetric difference, that is A minus B union of B minus A, right? Let me take it as the solution, right? A symmetric difference of B means we have to find out that is A minus B union of B minus A. That is the form. So first we have to find out what is A differs B. That is set A 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 8, 10, 12, right? So the second set B set should not be there, right? So only how to write the A set. 8 is there, so 8 cancel. There is no other number as common. So this is A minus B. Now we have to find out B minus A is equal to, B set is 8, 10, 12 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Here also 8 is the common element. So except that 8, we have to write the remaining two elements. The second set element should not be present here, should not be appeared here, right? So that's why we are leaving the second set elements. Now the symmetric difference, A symmetric B is equal to, that is the form, that is A minus B union of B minus A. A minus B is equal to the set 6, 7 and 9 union of the set B minus A is 10, 12. So symmetric difference is 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. Union means all together, right? So we have read all the elements, but except the repeated elements. Set is not allowed at the repeated elements. By symmetric means what you understand here, in both A and B set, omit the common elements and the remaining element should be appear in both the set. That is the symmetric difference, right? Next example sum 1.16. Represent A symmetric difference B through Venn diagram. Here the formula is A minus B union of B minus A is the formula. By using the Venn diagram, you have to represent this. First we have to find out what is that A minus B. A minus B means except the second set, you have to shade only the first set. This is B, except the second, you have to shade only the first set, right? This is the first set. And then B minus A, second we have to find out B minus A. B minus A means except the second set. What is second set here? A except A, you have to shade the remaining portion of B. Now A minus B union of B minus A. We have to find out A minus B union of B minus A. Just imagine if you take this Venn diagram and placed here, imagine which portions are covered. If I take this, right, if I take this Venn diagram and placed here, which portions are covered? The total A is covered, imagine yourself, and then total B is covered except the middle term. The middle term of the both is not shaded, so this is A minus B union of B minus A. Thank you, students.